Sit comfortably in your chair. Bottom firm. Come away from your leaning on the back. Hold the body erect. Your palms resting on your knee. Neck, head and the trunk in one straight line. Hold the body with no movement, even one fraction of a millimeter. And be conscious that you are not moving. Be extremely conscious. If it is moving, hold it, hold it. No movement, no movement. Be conscious. Look at the climate of your mind. Is it not extremely peaceful? As never ever before? And the moment you become conscious of the mind starts chattering, babbling. Shift your consciousness to the body. Hold the body without any movement. Watch the climate of gathering peace in the mind. Three, 4 days you practice it, once or twice a day, you will become convinced that even your wild mind can be quiet. By holding the body without any movement. See the difference of your understanding. The word meaning did give you some understanding, but it becomes confirmed when we start living it.